गुड इवनिंग, गुड टू बी बैक अगेन। एक छोटी सी टिप दूँ, जो लोग अपना वेट वॉच कर रहे हैं उनके लिए एक बहुत छोटी टिप। अगर आप वेट लूज़ करना चाहते हैं, डू वन थिंग, फेनुग्रीक सीड्स को रात को भिगो के रखिए। फेनुग्रीक सीड्स मतलब मेथी दाना, रात को भिगो के रखिए 1 लीटर पानी में, और सुबह उठ के द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग यू विल डू इज़ टू ड्रिंक दैट वाटर, एंड इफ़ यू कैन कंटिन्यू द होल डे, वंडरफुल, you will check your weight after a week. It's a good tip for healthy people. तो आज हम कुछ हेल्दी क्यों ना बनाया जाए। आज हम बना रहे हैं कपकेक्स। यस, फॉर एवरीबडी, नॉट फॉर किड्स। तो देखते हैं आज हम कपकेक कैसे बनाएंगे जिसको बच्चे और आप दोनों पसंद करेंगे। सो जॉइन मी ऑन दिस ट्रीट। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग ओट मील कपकेक्स। तो आज हम ओट मिल कपकेक्स बनाएंगे, लेकिन इसमें हम मैदा यूज़ नहीं कर रहे, इसमें हम ओट्स का यूज़ कर रहे हैं। एंड आई एम यूजिंग लॉट्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड द कपकेक। तो कैसे करना है, आई हैव डिवाइडेड द 2 पोर्शंस, द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट एंड द वेट इंग्रेडिएंट। सो विल स्टार्ट विद द ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट। आई एम टेकिंग ऑलमोस्ट अ कप ऑफ ग्राइंड ओट मील। एक नॉर्मल ओट्स जो आपके घर में अवेलेबल है, इसको आप ग्राइंड कर लीजिए। 1 cup of oat. I'll add the dry ingredients to it. Almost half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Almost half a teaspoon of baking powder. 1/4 of a teaspoon of soda. A pinch of salt. And that's it. You mix all the ingredients together. You don't have to sieve the oat, just give it a mix and leave it. So now we are making the wet portion of the cupcake. इसके लिए मैंने लिया है आधा केला. It should be a ripe banana so that you can easily mash it. So I'm using half the banana. इसको आप mash कर लीजिए with the help of your fork completely. Once it's mashed, put in half grated apple. One egg. And at this point of time, give it a whisk. Once it's completely mixed, let's start adding the rest of the ingredients. I've taken 1/8 of a cup of oil. You can use olive oil. Almost 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm not using sugar. Good for those who are counting on their weight. So honey is a good option, better than sugar. But if you wish to add sugar, you can always go about it. Then we add almost half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Once added all, let's give it a whisk properly. Once we are done with the wet portion and the dry portion, अब wet portion को हम dry portion में mix करेंगे. Just drop in the wet portion in your dry mixture and quickly give it a whisk. Mix it completely and make it rest for almost a minute or so, because the oats will absorb all the wet portion into it and will become a little denser. So you'll wait for another minute and we'll see. After a minute or so, your mixture becomes a little denser. We'll add almost a tablespoon of milk to it. And give it a whisk. Now the mixture of your cupcake is almost ready. At this point of time, switch on your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for preheat, and then we fill up the molds of our cupcakes. Now before we drop in this mixture into the mold, let's add something sweet for the children. This is choco chips. Just fill in the mixture with lots of choco chips and give it a mix. The kids will love it. They like to eat it and it's healthy for everyone. Now I've already greased my molds. So let's start pouring the mixture into the molds. So let's start adding it. Don't fill the molds too much. Let it be till 3/4. Give them some space to rise up. I've taken beautiful molds for the kids. They love it. You can take molds as per your designs. Just fill up all the molds for baking. Now this is done. Now let's start decorating our cupcakes with lots of things. I've used some cranberries and almond chips. Just drop them in. You can drop some choco chips as well on the top. The kids would love it because the first appearance of this choco chips, they will just rush for these cups. Add some fruits. I've taken banana, the remaining banana that I've left, so you can put them. I've taken some dates, some melon seeds, just drop handsome amount of it, some apples, some walnuts. You can use peanuts, you can use coconut, anything your kids love. So these are well decorated now. It's time to keep them for baking. So let's bake them. So my cupcakes are ready to be put in the oven. Let's put all the molds one by one into the tray. And then we'll set the timing for 15 minutes and ready to go. 15 minutes are going to be done. Yes, and let's check our cupcakes. So our cupcakes are almost done, golden colors. And now let's take them out and plate them. तो लीजिए, आपके कपकेक तैयार है. इन्हें ठंडा ज़रूर कर लीजिए खाने से पहले, और बहुत मज़ेदार है, हेल्दी है. बनाइए और मुझे इसके बारे में ज़रूर बताइए. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए और शेयर करिए अपने कमेंट्स. एंड हैव हैप्पी ईटिंग. थैंक यू. बाय बाय.